Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is networking technologies and their key differences with respect to the protocol stack. Our guest speaker today is Ms. Padmapriya Raghavan, Technical Consultant Asia at Trusted Logic France. Ms. Padmapriya Raghavan is working as a Technical Consultant Asia for Trusted Logic France, taking complete care of Asian accounts in the field of smart cards and OS platforms. She started her career as a test engineer with Cognizant Technology Solutions Chennai and later moved into telecom and has been in the telecom industry, core networking and R&D since then. Working in different roles as a core switch engineer, protocol tester, and recently a technical consultant for smart cards, Padmapriya is currently pursuing research in telecommunication modulation techniques and algorithms, keeping the Nyquist criteria as base derivative to enhance the channel bandwidth spectrum with minimal encryption and decryption. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker, Ms. Padmapriya. Over to you, Ms. Padmapriya.
Hello everyone, good evening. This is Padmapriya here. So straight to the topic, we are going to discuss about the networking technologies and their key differences with respect to the protocol stacks. So what exactly we are going to discuss here is not all the technologies together in depth, but I'm going to give you a brief outline about the different networking technologies and about the protocol differences and their stacks, how the mapping is done, and what is protocol testing, how it is related to product testing, and so on. So here, this is the presentation overview. So we are going to check what are the different networking technologies, say for example the GSM, UMTS, LTE, and so on, and why we need to migrate to 3G to 4G, why it is required, why really it becomes the need of the hour, and what are the major differences with respect to the networking architecture. So we are going to check about each and every architecture, and then we are going to see how each and every technology is different from other. And then moving on to the protocol stacks, we are going to see the OSI model, because I'm keeping that as the base. And then we are going to check what is SS7 signaling, how it is related to the protocol stacks, how the mapping is done, and then move on to the GSM, UMTS, LTE protocol suites and the mapping. Then finally to protocol testing. We are not going to discuss how the protocol testing is carried out in every technology or in every network, but we are just going to check what is protocol testing, why it is required, I mean the outline and the very basic things to be known to a protocol tester. That's it. So moving on to the first one. I'm sorry. Here you can see the networking technologies. So I'm starting with the 2G and 4G.